YouTube? Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bobby Land and this is Witness Riders. Guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. But I'm pretty excited here because I wasn't planning on making a second video today, but I just got a notification in my email that we have hit 100 subscribers. And so I told you all that I was going to give away this watch right here. I'm going to give this away to you all. Anyway, I'm going to give it away to one person, I should say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this video because I haven't been able to figure out a way to actually get my subscribers. I got to actually do like pick comments. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this YouTube random comment picker, and I'm going to actually put this video right here that I'm making right now. That's going to be the one. I want you all to write a comment below. You've got to write a comment below if you want to get picked to win this watch, all right? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the video picker or the random comment picker to actually pick your comments down below, and that's who's going to win the watch. And then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this video here in just a few minutes. This is a Saturday evening. And on Monday, I'll give everybody all of Sunday and all of Monday to actually get comments in this video. You got to comment in this video if you want to win the watch, or there's no, you're just not going to win it if not. So anyway, guys, comment below for a chance to win this watch. And on Monday evening, I will actually video the random comment picker and I'll actually make a video for that. So guys, thank you for the support. Let's go for 1,000 subscribers now, guys. This is amazing. I'm motivated now, guys. I'm ready to start getting some more content. We got some people that I've met that are willing to burn some tires off of cars for some video content. So that's all coming soon. You know, maybe we'll get some like Tire Slayer action like Damon over at DDE. Well, anyway, guys, hey, thank you again for the support. Sorry about that. Thank you again for the support, guys. And into the future, I look forward to you riding with us.
Dum 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 dum